Here on the bench today, we'd like to demonstrate for you our new HTML branded interface. What we have on the bench is two 3-monitor array systems, pre-built, pre-wired, ready to go. One has a 7-inch touchscreen, the other does not. Both systems are controlled via the 7-inch touchscreen, as well as any Wi-Fi enabled device. When the system is first powered up, the 7-inch touchscreen will present a landing page. Here's where you can select side A of the monitor array or side B. Each monitor array has 3 monitors. So we'll select side A, press the A. You're now presented with 12 presets that you can select any one of to play or to loop. I will go ahead and select preset 1 in looping mode. So now you can scroll through, you can see you've got all these different presets. These are built in ProPlayer in the menu item called Multiplayer. Very simple to do, all drop-down menus. I'm going to play preset 4 now, and this time I'm going to play it in looping mode. It's his engineering, supply chain, information technology. So you can see that a variety of different things can be done here. But let's show you one other thing. So now we're playing preset 4, and we have engineering, supply chain, information technology displayed. But what if we want to just change monitor 2 from supply chain to information technology? Well, we simply scroll down until we find a screen that has that in the center monitor, and we press the looping icon, and it changes. It's that simple. We can do the same thing for any of the screens, so we can come back here and change screen number 1 to information technology if we like, or we can come up and hit a preset 6 and change everything to supply chain. So as you can see, you have the ability to play a single preset all together or individually, as well as you can scroll down, for example, to preset 12 where we have the corporate loop, and you can press that and play it, and it plays 3 screens synced. Great way to do corporate messaging. So now let's switch over to the B side. On the bench, the B are the 3 smaller monitors to the left. So I'll select B, and you're presented the same 12 presets in the same manner. Now you can edit those presets again in the menu for multiplayer and have these different, so your A and B side can be completely different, or they can be the same. But again, I'm going to come back and I'm going to fire off preset 1 in looping mode. Okay. Now I'm going to slide up into preset 4. This is where it's engineering, supply chain, information technology, and I'm going to fire that preset off. And just like we did in the A side, you can come along and decide that I want to take the far right monitor and change it to just supply chain. So find a preset that has a supply chain on that right monitor and select loop for that monitor. Same thing for monitor 1. You can just find a supply chain and loop it. And of course, you can come all the way back down. In this case, we've built number 12 as the corporate loop, and you can play that as well. Now we'd like to show you what it looks like from a cell phone. Here we have a Samsung Android device. The first thing, of course, you'll have to do is log on to the Wi-Fi, give it a password to get on, then open your browser and enter in the URL page to get to the app. Once you do so, you'll be presented, just like with the other touchscreen, select A, and you'll be presented with the 12 presets, exactly the same, loop or play. So we'll select preset 1 and loop it. Same thing, you can scroll through, we'll pick preset 4, and just like with the other touchscreen, you can select a single monitor. For example, we can select the left monitor and select a new content to loop on that one alone. Scroll down further, find a different content for the right monitor, select that, and you of course can go all the way down to preset 12, the corporate loop, and select that. Now hit the edit side A button, it'll put you back to the landing page, and now you can select the B side and do the exact same thing. Select preset 1, scroll through, select preset 4, and now let's change supply chain to information technology, and let's change information technology to supply chain. Again, very simple to use. A and B site are identical the same. And of course, you can use any Wi-Fi enabled device to attach to this HTML app and run your entire system. So you can see just how powerful yet easy to use ProPlayer Plus's new HTML app is. From any Wi-Fi enabled device, cell phone, tablet, laptop, or even a local touchscreen, you can control all of your digital media from one location. And it can be custom branded. So now you can offer your customers all of the control and power that ProPlayer Plus has to offer in a custom branded interface. Thank you.